Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pure Optiplus. I'm so happy to see you again. On this channel I talk about devolutory immigration and life in United States of America. If you are new to this channel, make the first three things: like, share and subscribe to be informed of my news videos out. As you can see, I cut my hair. My uncle do that for me at home. To find people out who do that for you this time is very hard because Corona is not over yet. I think so. I'm a little bit handsome. Oh my god, I'm talkative guy. Sorry guys, let's just start. Today I'm going to make this video in English. I decided that because some people who are following me sent me the previous messages and asked me why I don't make the video in English. I saw that was true because my channel is for all the people who are speaking English and French. It's also true I don't speak very well English. You can see in my accent because my first language is French, and I have been in United States of America for 11 months now. I took the English class regularly for 5 months. So if I make mistake in this video, don't worry about that. Just show me the good way how to say that in the comment. I will be so happy to learn from you. So in this video I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes people make when they immigrate in United States of America. 5 mistakes, I say again. The first mistake is the lack of ambition. The lack of ambition. Right now, if you find 5 young people and you ask them what are your dream country, most of them will choose United States of America. That is one of the power of United States. That is very good because the opportunity United States of America give the immigrant, no country give the same opportunity. I told you that on my old videos I make in French. They give the chance for immigrants to be successful in your new life if you immigrate in United States of America. So if you decide to immigrate here, you have to get your own purpose. You have to get your own ambition. You have to get your own goal, because if you are in United States of America, you are new, the life is new for you, so you will meet so many people. Some people like the immigrant, they will show you the good way how to be successful in your life, but you will find some people they don't like immigrants. So you have to be focused on your life. You have to be focused on what you have to do. So that is the first mistake people make when they decide to immigrate in United States of America. The second mistake people make when they immigrate in United States of America is perseverance. Right now, if I told you your new life in United States of America will be easy, I'm lying. Yeah, I'm lying. I'm lying, because it will not be easy. It will not be easy. If somebody told you that, it's wrong. It will not be easy, because if you are new in United States of America, you need to request all your documents. You must to have your first job. You must to apply to get your first apartment. You have to buy the new car to move, to go to work. If you don't speak English, you have to go to school to learn English. If you immigrate in United States of America like me, English is not your first language. You have to learn English. You have to go to school. So if you don't have the car to move, it's very hard to you to go to school and go to work. So you have to do so many things if you are new in United States of America to be successful in your new life. So perseverance, perseverance, perseverance. That is the second mistake people make when they immigrate in United States of America. The third mistake people make when they immigrate in United States of America is the search of comfort. the search of comfort. I don't know if I pronounce that very well, but I think you understand me. The search of comfort. That is really problem when you immigrate in United States of America, because the thing you was not doing in your country, you don't have to do that here, because you are in United States of America. You are looking for now the comfort to be good. Right now, you don't need, if you are new in United States of America, because you have to do so many things to be successful in your life. I'm talking to you as my brother, as my friend. I don't lie to you. So if you are watching this video, if you are new, focus on your goal, because it will help you. Again, don't compare yourself with the citizen peoples. So the citizen people, they born here, they know how the things is working here. You are new, you don't know the system, you don't know nothing about the America. So it's your first time to travel, it's your first time to immigrate in United States. So everything will be new for you. Yes, it will be new. Don't compare yourself with another people. So focus on your life, focus in your job, focus on what you want to do, what you have to do. Focus on that. So that will help you. The fourth mistake people make when they immigrate in United States of America is lack of discipline. The discipline is also important in your new life in United States of America, because you have to get the discipline about the girls, about your job, about especially the money you get. If I take example, before you travel, you immigrate in United States of America, maybe in your old country you was not working there. Before to travel, your money you get in your job, you have to save your money to do the things will help you in your life to be successful. That is more important to know. It's very important to know that. The last mistake, that is the big mistakes people make when they immigrate in United States of America. That mistake is the good credit card management. I say again, the good credit card management. However, you are a person who have the ambition, you have the person who is player, everybody will take that way. Why? Because the system in United of America is working like that. So the credit card is very, very important in American life. If you don't know that, I'm telling you now, is very important. The first thing you have to do if you get your credit card, to build your credit score. That credit score will help you to buy the car if you want, to buy your own home, to buy anything you want, because the things in United States of America is very expensive. You can't buy something cash because it's expensive. You make so many money in your jobs, but you spend like that too, because the thing is not easy. So the rent of apartment is expensive. You have to manage your credit card very well, because your credit card is very important. It's important for you. Your credit card, you show the people who are giving you the apartment, who are giving you the cars. You will pay step by step. Every month you pay 100 or 200. It depends the cost of car you want to buy. If you have the good score, that score means you are the good payer. You pay your bill on time. So that is the good point for you to get anything you want in United States of America. So careful if you get your first credit card. Careful, manage that very well. That is the last mistakes people make when they immigrate in United States of America. The last thing I want to tell you is in the next video I'm going to talk about the advantage to be immigrant in United States of America. The advantage the people have when they immigrate in United States of America. I talk today about the mistakes people make when they immigrate in United States of America. So the next video I will talk about the advantage people have when they immigrate in United States of America. So take care, share your marks, save your family and yourself. Take care, bye. See you next time. Bye bye.